Hello and welcome to this video. So I will show with you step by step how you can use lightpdf. So this is online editor PDF, login and access your accounts. So friends, this is the first step. You have a different option here. You have AI PDF generator. You can generate your PDF through AI option. So all you have to do, create a AI digital marketing, write any prompts here, and then you can generate PDF from this section. And you have presentation maker. So friends, you can make a presentation. If I scroll down, click get started from here, write your need, for example, need random PPT. From here, click get started, and then the software will be give you a simple PPT here, a presentation. So you have PDF translate. You can translate your PDF from this section. Just upload your PDF file from here, and then you can start translate your PDF. So this is another section here. You have AI create, AI summarize, AI analyze this. You can analyze this from this section. So it is PDF. You can convert from PDF. This is PDF. You can convert Word to PDF. Just upload your PDF file from here, and you can start convert through PDF section. You can optimize your PDF from a lot of options. You can resize, scan. For example, if you scan PDF, click this option, and then you can scan your PDF. Just upload download this app on App Store, and then you can start scanning your PDF file. You can also resize your PDF from this section. So you have different option here. You can flat your PDF. So all you have to do, you go to PDF tools. You can start using this PDF simplest and easiest way. Thanks for watching this video.